Hello everyone, this week we are starting Unit 3, which main focus is multiplication and division. So Unit 1, we did discuss multiplications with primes and composites, factors and multiples, and did a little bit of using multiplication combinations, but in Unit 3 we really dive into this. So the kids are going to focus mainly on 2-digit by 1 and also 2-digit by 2-digit. If you see on the left, you have the basic algorithm, which is the main way parents were taught in school. So 18 times 7, they go through that process. 7 times 8 is 56. So you've got the 6 where you tag the 5, and then 7 times 1 is 7 plus 5 is 12. And you were taught this, and it was just rote, and it was this is the way we do it, but there really wasn't any explanation behind it. If you look at the right, you have what's known as the strategy breaking arrays. So we have the same 18 times 7. And the 18 by 7 truly is one large array, if you think about it. And so here, we're going to break that 18 times 7 into two smaller arrays to kind of help us solve the final product. So if you notice in the first example, of 18 times 7, the 18 has been broken into the 10 and the 8 because 10 plus 8 gives me that 18. So I've taken that factor and I've broken it into a 10 and an 8. Then I'm going to take the 10 factor and I'm going to times it and distribute it to the 7 factor. And most kids know their 10, so that's very easy. If a kid wants to find the final product, they may choose this because they like their 10s. So 10 times 7 is 70. Then they take the remaining factor, 8, and they times it by the 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Once they have those two separate arrays, they're going to add to get that final total of 126. So you really have a 10 by 7 and an 8 by 7 that is the exact same product as that 18 by 7. Another example a kid could choose to do when breaking apart the array is the one on the right. So you've got a 9 and a 9 instead of using the 10 and the 8. So here, a student could take the 9 and times it by the other factor of 7, getting 63, doing the same thing, 9 times 7, getting the 63, and adding it up to get 126. So again, you can have two 9 by 7s that is the exact same as one 18 by 7. And there are a lot of different ways I could break up my 18 number. These are just some examples. So you will be seeing how the students this week are going to be taking a larger array and breaking it into smaller arrays to figure out that final product. I hope this has been very helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or send me a text on Remind app. Thanks so much.